Welcome to Noku Kyoto Hotel. We invite you to room tour. Come on. Let's see what Noku Hotel prepared for us. Firstly, we will make more light and check the view. So, welcome to Noku Kyoto Hotel. If you don't know what to do in Kyoto firstly, Noku prepared a special map for you to support your first trip. Let's see. Here is Imperial Palace, really near to the hotel, Kyoto International Meiji Museum, and Ninja Castle.
And we are here.
Japanese tea ceremony in your room in Noku Hotel. Noku take care about their guests and they prepared for us a special gift. Let's check the shelf. As you can see in the shelf, you can find a fire lighter in case of earthquake. Last but not least, the bathroom. We mentioned that Japanese hotels often prepare a big set of additional cosmetics and other stuff for the bathroom.